Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be talking about my Victron Smart Shunt. Basically one of the problems I've had in relation to getting an accurate read out of it, and I think it's the most common problem everyone has, is they just haven't wired up a particular component of it correctly, and it all is around the earth. So I thought I'd just cover that off with you guys today. Just yeah, nice quick video, my learnings from the Victron community who have shared their wisdom. Let's have a quick look. Cheers. All right guys, so it's a little bit tight in here. So I'll explain what's going on. Okay, so you've got the Victron Smart Shunt there. So the most important thing is, with the Victron Smart Shunt, on the side to the battery terminal, you're not supposed to have anything else connected. All right. Now, I thought the way I had wired it up was correct, but it is not. So basically any load has to come after, and again in this case on the left hand side of the Smart Shunt, and there needs to be nothing before it other than the battery terminal. Now you can see I've got three things connected to the negative on the battery terminal there, and two of those things are acceptable, one is not. Okay, now what I have done is, you can see there from the right hand side of the Smart Shunt, I've got that connected to the battery terminal, which is correct. Okay, but then there's another heavy duty cable there, which is actually my chassis earth. Now that should not be connected to the battery terminal. The chassis earth needs to be connected to the other side of the Smart Shunt. And on the other side of the Smart Shunt, in my case, I've then got it going to a control box, which then feeds the DC charger. And then I also have a cable coming directly from my inverter, my 1500 watt inverter. Okay. Now the other terminal, the other wire on the terminal is actually a temperature sensor cable, which doesn't draw any current. That is acceptable to be on the terminal. So they are the only two things. The main one from the shunt, and then also a temp sense wire is fine. Okay. Also, I'm advised not to have any washers on this battery terminal as well, so I'll be removing those as well. And then let's see what the readings look like, if there's any changes. Cool, back in a sec. All right guys, there you go. So I've just got the temp sense wire, I've got the main wire from the shunt, and then everything else is at the other end of the shunt. Let's hope it fixes the reading issues I have. All right guys, so there you go, all done. Something as simple as having just the chassis earth on the wrong side of the shunt. And I thought it wouldn't be an issue. And so, I mean, everything was working properly. The DC charger was all working properly and was doing what it should. It's just, it was never really measuring the input current from the alternator. So yeah, all good. All right, nice, quick, easy one. Again, thanks to the guys in the Victron community. Hope you like what you've seen. Give us a thumbs up, and I shall see you in the next video. Cheers guys.